how to stop LinkedIn notification emails. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So this tutorial provides a step-by-step guide to stop receiving LinkedIn notification emails which can clutter your inbox. So let's dive right in. Open up your LinkedIn app, then go to your profile on the top left, then head over to your profile, and then you'll need to go to settings on the top right and then tap on notifications. Now, for example, if you want to stop receiving notifications for searching a job, then just tap on it and then just toggle off allow job search notifications. So, uh, like this, you can turn off specific email notifications. You can come back and then just toggle it off for other options as well. And that's it. This is how you do it. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.